Click for IB Biology, Principles of Respiration. We're now going to look at what's called the link reaction, which connects the pyruvate and the energy it contains to the Krebs cycle here, which is in the mitochondria. So that's the link reaction. The link reaction itself results in the formation of reduced coenzyme NAD and the decarboxylation of pyruvate. In other words, we're going to remove a carbon and form carbon dioxide. A PDF of this presentation is in the description below, and of course a quiz for you to test your understanding. The pyruvate is formed out here in the cytoplasm from glycolysis, and the pyruvate of course is a 3-carbon molecule, and this is transported across the double membrane of the mitochondria into the matrix of the mitochondria. In order to traverse the double membrane shown here, it's necessary for there to be membrane carriers, and this is a form of facilitated diffusion, and the carrier molecule, which of course is a protein embedded in the membrane, is actually known as the pyruvate carrier. So the pyruvate is able to cross into this area here, so this would be the matrix of the mitochondria, this zone here. The pyruvate then encounters an enzyme which will break off one of the carbons. So recall that pyruvate is carbon, 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 a 3-carbon structure. One of those is going to be removed and will result in the formation of carbon dioxide as shown here. So that process is decarboxylation, the removal of carbon dioxide. The 2-carbon structure which remains is called an acetyl group, and this is immediately has hydrogens removed, which results in the formation of the reduced NAD. So we should think of some of the energy from this here has now been put into the reduced NAD, and we'll see in subsequent sections what happens to this energy and how this is used to bring about the formation of ATP itself. The 2-carbon acetyl is picked up by coenzyme A. Think of this as a transporter molecule to form acetyl-CoA, and this then transports to the enzyme system within the matrix called the Krebs cycle, where it will encounter the acceptor molecule oxaloacetate, a 4-carbon structure. This is the beginning of the Krebs cycle, and that would be the beginning of our next video on the Krebs cycle. So in summary, the pyruvate is broken down into acetyl, connected to CoA, with the release of carbon dioxide and the reduction of NAD. Links to the Krebs cycle are showing in the window, along with the subscription button and links to the playlists so that you can inspect the other videos in this sequence.